Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Guys, if you have a Ford F-150 generation from year 2009 to year 2014, and if you guys need to find the fuse for the high-speed radiator fan, stay with us. We'll explain where the fuses are located. You may have up to 3 fuses that you will need to check, and we'll talk why it's super important to test fuses as well. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else, guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work, guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses, so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So we're going to demonstrate here on a 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have, guys, a different year from that generation, it will work as well. We're going to open the fuse box that's under the hood in the engine bay, but let's first talk why it's super important to test fuses. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Okay, you can see how you have different kinds of fuses, guys, and relays. Some of those could be really expensive at the parts store. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where we get them online at a really good price. So if you look right here, that's the first row of fuses and relays, excuse me, that's the relays, and here it's the fuses. The first fuse that we'll need to check is known as fuse number F15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 40 amp fuse, that's, guys, okay, for the high speed radiator fan. Another fuse that controls the radiator fan, guys, is that one right here. This one is known as fuse number F63. Okay, and if you come in this row right here, you're going to have another fuse right here, guys, and this one will be fuse number F77. 1, 2, 3. Third one from left to right, that 10 amp fuse in our case, it's for the radiator fans as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.